Hello friends, this is Tirumurugan, the founder Tirus IAS Academy. In this video, we will discuss about Indian Parliament. Indian Parliament consists of the President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Indian President is an integral part of Indian Parliament. When we use two houses for making laws, the concept is called as bicameralism. Indian Parliament is the central legislature which will make central laws for the entire country. Next, we will discuss about Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha are the lower house. The house will have members elected by the people conducted by means of a direct election conducted by the Union Election Commission of India. Lok Sabha is the lower house and this house will be dissolved once after 5 years. Every 5 years elections will be conducted for this particular house. The membership or the tenure of the members is 5 years. The government formation happens in this house. Once the elections are over, the party which has the majority in the Lok Sabha will form the government. Prime Minister and Council of Ministers will be from the majority or the ruling party. The election method is first past the post. The next house, which is a permanent house, cannot be dissolved at any time guaranteed by the constitution, called as Rajya Sabha or House of the Lords or House of the State Representatives. The election method is proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. The elected members of state legislative assemblies will participate in the elections as voters for Rajya Sabha elections. Simply, we can call it like this. Rajya Sabha members are elected by the elected representatives of state legislative assemblies. The membership tenure for Rajya Sabha is 6 years. This house cannot be dissolved at any time period. That's why it is called as a permanent house. Right? Thank you.